Hi all. This is part 22 on the bike build. Uh, it'd be better if I point this camera down. Okay. So we're gonna put these pieces together. This and a couple other pieces. This is the rad. We're on steps 13. As you can see, I got the exhaust pipes on there. Oh, you can't see there. See, I got the exhaust pipe on there. On there now. I didn't do that on camera, but anyways, yeah, we're gonna snip this off. But I won't be like there's 4 screws that go in this, but I won't be doing that on here. I don't know. So how it goes. I hope that I'm not removing more than I have to, because I'll be really freaking peed. Nope, doesn't look like it. But anyways, move the bike a lot out of the way a bit. No. Okay. And A4 and A5. Those are these 2 slats on the side. As you can see. Yeah, see? Has the screws right there. I don't think I'd be doing that on camera. No freaking way. Oh, that's the wrong ones. P4. Cut one piece off at a time so you know exactly which piece you got. Because they look identical, but they might not be. So you gotta watch out for that. Oh, that was number 4. Okay, I'll put this on the side here, over here. Okay, so you gotta see exactly how this goes. So this goes like oh, well, that doesn't make any sense. Well, that thing is on the wrong side. Let's see. Oh, like this. Oh, okay. Like this. Well, I guess it only goes one way, eh? You would think. That doesn't help matters much. Throwing pieces on the floor. There's a knob here. So that has to be cut off. A knob here. A knob here. A knob here. Yeah, my one finger is very stiff. So you probably realize that on. Okay. It goes taper down. like that. See that? So this side is done. So we grab the other side. This one here. I hope you people are enjoying this series. Like, it does take a lot of time, especially if you're trying to be in frame, which I'm probably mostly not, but yeah. Like I'm trying the best I can with what I got. Like there's always things we can make it easier, you know, to show certain things, but it is what it is. Okay, so this goes like that. Okay, like that. So it's both sides on there now. So it goes on the bike on the front like this, something like that, I believe. Yeah, goes on the front like this, slanted, I guess. But anyways, so that's that. Okay, so I painted this part earlier, like it's kind of like a gloss black, and it goes in this piece here. What fell, broke off now? Oh, like that. So that piece is right there. And I'll just put a little bit of this on there. And I gotta fix a piece, and I'll have to do that off camera, of course. But anyways, this is going to be a short video. I'm sorry about the short videos, but it is what it is. You know, a lot of things I can't do while I'm on here because it's very hard to show with the little screws where to go and whatnot. So I think that's how it goes. There we go. Okay, it's in there now. But there it is. And there's the pipes. See? There's the pipes. I'm gonna put some blue on here, so it looks like it's you know, the burn metal. But I'll put the blue on there, and I'll do that off camera. Okay. that's it for now. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll talk to you all later. Bye for now. Oh, and by the way, like I said before, if you become a member, I will be doing giveaways, and I will show different aspects of using an airbrush. I, it doesn't matter which brand, because I've got Badger, I got Pache, and I got a Grex, I've got Awada airbrushes here. So if you got a question about airbrushing, leave it in the comments, and I will either do a video or I'll explain this procedure. Okay? Talk to you later. Bye for now.